So the device retains the overall design from its Mazda 20 with some minimal changes. The Mazda 21 with flat frame body. It takes design cue from both Galaxy S series and iPhones. The handset measures 7.9 mm in thickness and weight only 198 grams because of the addition of RGB color and the considerable number of lamp beads. The IC Smart Ring can display many effects such as the incoming calls, notifications, volume, power, music rhythm. The IC Smart Ring is also connected to the IC Ascension. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chips paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage option. So it has a cooling area of 37345 mm to dissipate heat. The front of the device is greeted with 6.55 inches central punch-hole flat OLED screen provided by a Samsung display. This full HD plus panel with HDR10 plus port offer up to 120 Hz refresh rate, 1920 Hz PWM diamond and a 1800 nits peak brightness level. The sensor rate can also reach 1500 Hz. Mazda 21 durability with an ultra reliable precision body crafted from new aviation aluminum. Overcoming white panel yard issue, the phone features are extremely narrow physical cube bezel measuring only 1.74 mm. The front also included 32 megapixel Samsung S5K GD1 selfie camera. On the rear, there is a vertical elegant triple camera setup. This camera system combines a 200 megapixel Samsung S5K HP3 primary sensor with OIS 12 megapixel Samsung S5K3 L6 ultra wide unit and a 5 megapixel Samsung S5K 5E9 depth sensor. In addition, the collaboration with Samsung and supported by Starfellow Image AI promise industry leading photo capability. The phone hosts 4800 mAh battery supporting 80-watt fast charging. Addition feature include ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, Bluetooth 5.3, 2.0 M engine, ultra 6th generation masterclass dual ultra linear speaker. The device on Flyme OS 10.5 Android 13, introducing the ICA Essence with new AI function like a Encyclopedia with instant answer and creative inspiration generating painting. Mazda 21 available in 4 colors including bonus black, Mazda white, green and speed purple. The Mazda 21 is currently available for pre-sale and is set to go on sale on December 5 in China for 8GB plus 2 5GB variant for 3399 June. We'll talk about global available. I think he did not come to according to previous generation's schedule. So take care. Bye.